Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am from group 9, want to present about first generation of vacuum tube. So for the first slide, which is characteristic, we will moving on to turn to explain about it.
Okay, for the first one, we will like to present about characteristic of first generation. Using vacuum tubes for processing and storing data. Fully electronic computer produced. Usually computer at the grid size and instructions were done manually.
Okay, talking about the slight disadvantage of this generation. Firstly, big size, big competition to use a lot of electric power. Use a lot of vacuum tube.
For the NEM part, it consists of three parts, which is the founder, the characteristic, and the description. I'll be explaining the founder and the characteristic. So, for the founder, it is founded by the John Notchley and the John Eckert. So, for the characteristic, it is weighed 30 tons and occupying 1,500 square feet of floor space. More than that, it contains more than 18,000 vacuum tubes and 100,000 capacity, 70,000 resistors and 6,000 switches. It is capable of 5,000 additions per second and 140 kilowatt of power.
Okay, so for the description, I will brief to you. Okay, first, developed for calculating artillery firing tables, decimal number system used, program manually setting switches. It is used during World War II for developing range and trajectory tables for new weapons. Without this table, the new weapons and artillery were useless to gunners. It is completed in 1946, but too late to be used in the war. Instead, its first task was to perform a series of complex calculations that used to determine the feasibility of the hydrogen bomb. Okay.
Okay, in 1945, the proposal by von Neumann for a new computer advanced electronic discrete variable computer. In 1946, von Neumann and his colleagues designed new store program computer, IAS computer, at the Princeton Institute for Advanced Studies. But IAS computer did not complete until 1952, so it became prototype of general purpose computers.
Now we look to the general structure of IAS. First, memory, store data and instruction. Second, ALU, operating on bandwidth data. Third, control unit, integrates the information in memory and carry them to execute. Lastly, input-output, operated by the control unit. Good night. Thank you. That's all from us. Thank you.